What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we'll be drawing Timon from The Lion King. Let's begin today's lesson. In the center of the page and draw two ovals for the eyes. We're going to start with the one on the left, starting from the very top, come all the way down, and then back up towards the top. I'm going to leave a gap in between the eyes and draw the same size oval on the right. So start by lining up the top, come down towards the same height, and then back up. Now I'm going to pull the pupils towards the inside. So I'm going to start with a small circle. Let's line it up on the right. Add an even smaller circle on the top for a highlight. And we'll fill the bottom half of the pupils in black. Now we're going to move down in the center and draw the top edge of the nose with a curve. We're going to go up and then down. Let's round up the sides and pull this in towards the center point. Curve this up towards the right. Now just up above the nose, we're going to add a fold, going up and down. Along the top of the nose, we're going to draw an oval for a highlight. And then we'll fill the bottom area of the nose in black. Now let's move down and draw the top edge of the mouth. We're going to start on the left side. Curve this down underneath the nose, and then back up. Let's go back to the left side. Curve this down in the middle, and then up. Let's add a curve in the center for the teeth. And I'll separate the teeth with a line coming down the middle. Let's add a couple more lines going out toward the left and right side. And then along the bottom, add a small curve for the tongue. Fill the outsides in black. We're going to add one more curve just underneath the mouth for the lower lip. Now let's go back up underneath the eyes. We're going to round out the cheeks. Let's start on the left. We're going to go up, come around, and just pull that in towards the base of the head. Do the same thing on the right, going around, down, and then in. Let's go back on top of the cheeks, curve the head coming in around the eye, go up toward the top. I'm just going to bend this down towards the inside of the eyes. We'll do the same thing on the right, going up towards the same height, and then bend that down. Let's add some thickness to the eyebrows. Starting from the outside, come down a little bit lower in the middle, and we'll fill the inside of the eyebrows in black. Let's go in between the eyebrows. We're going to add a point coming in and then down towards the center of the forehead. Let's go back over towards the left side. I'm going to brush the hair over towards the right, going up and across. Bring that down. Add one more point going out and then down. I'm going to pull the ears underneath the cheeks. Let's start on the left, coming around and then up. Now from the base of the head, we're going to work our way across the center trim. Let's start on the left. Round this out, come down and out towards the bottom. Do the same thing on the right. Let's round out the bottom. Starting back on the left, come across the middle, and then back up. Now from the center, we're going to step down and add a curve. We're going to go up and then down. Step in. Just going to round out the heel, coming in towards the bottom of the foot. Now we want to round out the bottom of the feet. We're going to come down and then up towards the outside. Let's go back to the left side, curve the foot, going up, and bend this down, aiming towards the heel. And leave a little gap along the inside. And it'll separate the end of the foot. Starting from the top, come in and then down. Now we're going to go all the way back up towards the top and draw the side of the body. Let's start on the left. Start by curving this down and then out. Round up the leg and just pull that in on top of the feet. Let's line this up on the right. Going down and out. Round up the leg and then bend that back in. Now from the top of the body, we're going to step down, draw a straight angled line coming down and out across the bottom of the arm towards the wrist. And then from the wrist, draw a small half circle for the thumb. And we'll close off the end going up and then in towards the wrist. Let's do the same thing on the right. Now I'm going to curl 3 fingers around on either side. Let's start from the bottom of the thumb and go out, up, and then in. Step down, add the second finger, and then the third finger can go around and then down towards the outside of the wrist. Let's do the same thing on the right. From the outside of the wrist, draw a straight angle line going up, and then round out the shoulders coming in. I'm going to separate the top of each finger with a curve. Pull that in towards the thumb. And do the same thing on the right. And now I want to add that tail coming out from the left side. Start up here, come around, and then up. And then taper that back in towards the leg. And it'll separate the end. And then sign your art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how I draw Timon from The Lion King. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you do, please be sure to subscribe for more videos each week where I'll show you how to draw different characters just like this. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.